I don't think I've been this tired in so long. Day 7 of the digital detox is done. That was challenging, less so disconnecting from devices and the digital world, but more providing content, filming content, and just being engaged in something so new. I'm gonna hold my thoughts around whether it's worthwhile until the eventual main video that gets posted. I'm absolutely exhausted, so much so that this video that you're watching right now was filmed yesterday. Today, you're watching it, it's scheduled to come up on Sunday, the last day of the detox. Oh, back home, gonna do some stretching. Oh, that stinks. So, I'm taking the day off. I hope I'm enjoying my day off, and I'm pretty much actually gonna disconnect and not touch the camera. I would do my work for the day, do my exercise, have my appointments, then I would be doing filming at the same time, editing the vlog, uploading the vlog, and then shifting from that to my actual work or going to my actual work. But I reckon I'll be back. It's kind of like cooking pasta or spaghetti and burning it. I'm someone who can kill fake plants. It has been intense. I've enjoyed every minute of it. I've discovered so much about myself, but I'm gonna bloody well enjoy my Sunday without sitting in front of a camera. Please make sure you like and subscribe and all those things, and keep an eye out for an update very soon, which will be a full video about what it's like to do a 7-day detox. See ya.